friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see vacation in German. So how they, you can say how they go to vacation and what do they do there. So we'll see in German language all these things. First we'll see a few words, and this video will divide in two parts. Like if somebody is going for a vacation, we can ask them that where are you going, when are you going, like that. And then after coming back, we can ask them that what did you do, how was your vacation, like that. So like this, we'll divide this video into two parts. So you will be able to know how the first initially how you can ask them, and afterwards also you how you can converse with them or how you can talk to them. That will see in today's video. So we'll start. Now first one is for vacation. It is called as Urlaub in German. It is called as Urlaub, or you can say Ferien machen. That is also true. Both are correct. Usually there is this word called Urlaub. Urlaub. Urlaub is vacation. Then suppose you go to beach, then you can say strand. It is strand. Then for mountain, it is berg. Okay, iceberg. So it is called as berg. And travel is fahren. Fahren or reisen, that is also called as travel only in English. And suppose you have summer vacation, then you can say Sommerferien. Okay, Sommerferien. Sommer is summer and Ferien is kind of vacation. Or if you have winter vacation, you can say Winterferien and so on. So how you can converse or how you can talk about vacation, that we are going to say now. Suppose now somebody, your friend or your acquaintance is she or he is going for a vacation. Then you will ask, one first do in Urlaub. One is when. And first meaning, when are you traveling? Do in Urlaub. Then it means when are you going to vacation or holiday, you can say. And then the other person on the other side will say, wir fahren am 1. August in Urlaub. Meaning we are going on 1st of August for vacation or for holidays, you can say. Then it is like the other way of answering, or you can ask the question in other way. Like, then the other person on the other side will say, wir fahren am 1. August in Urlaub. Meaning we are going on 1st of August for vacation or for holidays, you can say. Then it is like the other way of answering, or you can ask the question in other way, like one marked year Urlaub. That means also when are you, it is kind of making your Urlaub. Marked meaning making, but don't take the literal meaning. In English, the simple English, it will be when are you going for a vacation or Urlaub. So this is clear. Again, the same answer will be there. We are going on holiday on 1st of August, right? So we are fahren am 1. August in Urlaub. Now, this is called as ordinal numbers. Okay, so there is a separate video on my channel called ordinal numbers. You can go through it. In that, we say no in English, first, second, third, and so on. So like that only, we have different ordinal numbers, different names of ordinal numbers in German. So you can go through that video. So the next question, or again the next sentence from other side, or whoever is going for vacation, it will come from that side, that die Sommerferien gehen vom 1. August bis zum 17. August. Now, 17 meaning 17. Okay. 17 meaning 17. So it is like 17, 17. 17th of September, sorry. So it will start from, the person is saying it will start from 1st August, that summer vacation, and ends at 17th of September. The summer holidays last, you can say, from 1st August to September 17th. This is 17 meaning 17. Okay. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. So it is all together, it is 17. This is again ordinal number. So it is 17th of September. It is still 17th of September. Then again you will ask, one first two. Again, when are you going? Now, this means this is also one way of asking, you can say. So we are taking different ways of asking about the vacation. So it will be, suppose, next week. Next week meaning next week, because next is next and week is week. Then again you will ask, one comes to do wieder. Now this wieder meaning again, and kommst is to come. So it is like one kommst to do wieder, meaning when are you back? It is like in simple English, it will be, when will you be back? I'm back. Then you can say the last question, actually, it is, wohin gehst du in den Urlaub? So this is coming at the end of the dialogue, that where are you going for the vacation? So the person will say, ich fahre or reise nach Paris, meaning I am traveling to Paris. Then he will say, viel Spaß, meaning have a nice time. Actually, Spaß meaning fun. So it is like feel is a lot. So you do a lot of fun or have a nice time. Both are correct. Now we'll see the second part of this conversation. Now suppose somebody goes to a vacation and then again comes back, and then you meet that person. So it will be like, wie war dein Urlaub? Okay, obviously you will ask, how was your vacation? Wie war dein Urlaub? Or again there is a other way of asking, war der Urlaub schön? Meaning, was the vacation nice? Schön meaning nice. So this is the other way. One can ask, how was the vacation? Or was the vacation nice? So this is a different way of asking. This is a, you can say, polite way of asking. War der Urlaub schön? Was the vacation nice? Then the other person will say, es war sehr schön. It was very nice. Sehr schön meaning very nice. Or that person will say, that is a less possibility, that es war okay, meaning it was okay, you can say. But this is like very, like rarely it will happen, because usually vacation is always nice. So the answer will be, it was very nice only. Es war sehr schön. But rarely it can happen that es war okay. It was okay. Then again you will ask that person, was hast du erforscht? Now this erforscht meaning to explore. So you are asking, what did you explore? This is the way of asking. Like sometimes you will ask, what did you do there? But this is a way of asking. So what did you explore? Was hast du erforscht? Meaning explore. Now that person will say, wir besuchten das Louvre Museum. Museum is museum. Louvre Museum. Und den Eiffel Tomb. Tomb is tower. So it is that person is saying we visited. Besuchten meaning to visit. Besuchen is a verb. It means to visit. Now this is a past tense. So it is besuchten meaning visited. So already they have gone. So we visited Louvre Museum. Though the spelling is same, but the pronunciation will be museum. Und then Eiffel Tower. So it means the Eiffel Tower they have visited and Louvre Museum. Dann haben wir uns einfach entspannt. Now entspannt meaning to relax. So what that person is saying, then we just relaxed. After visiting just these two places, maybe they wanted to relax. So that person is saying, then we just relaxed, meaning dann haben wir uns einfach entspannt, meaning we just relaxed then. Then you will say, okay, good, meaning okay, good. So this is a conversation about vacation in two parts. So you can add sentences by yourself. Sometimes you can say, I want to go to mountains or hilly areas or to the beach. So you can make your sentences, you can take the basis of this conversation and make your sentences by yourself. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.